Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are here again with another new interview. Amazon is one of the dream companies for many students who are pursuing computer science major. Yes, today we have Shreya Sharma sir with us who got placed in Amazon with around 18 lakhs per annum. Hello and good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening. Sorry for
Uh,
being a
I'm
little late.
I'm Meenakshi Bariskar on behalf of UEC News. Welcome you in this interview.
Hi, Meenakshi.
Sir, please give your brief introduction.
So, my name is Shreyas Sharma. I just graduated from Ujjain Engineering College. I recently got placed in Amazon, and that's it. I think I'm currently not doing anything. I'm selling.
Okay, sir. Sir, let's begin from school. What type of student were you in those days, like average or topper?
So, I was an average student. I was not at all topper. I remember a time when my Hindi teacher introduced me. She was called scolding a topper, and she said to that topper that कितने मार्क आए तुम्हारे एंड शी he had श्रेयस के भी 17 हैं तो आई वाज दैट टाइप ऑफ स्टूडेंट कि ही यूज मी एज एन एग्जांपल कि उसके भी तुमसे ज्यादा है तो तुम्हारे तो आने थे तो आई वाज एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट आई वाज नॉट एट ऑल अ टॉपर
Okay, sir. So, what were your areas of interest other than studies in co-curricular activities during your college days?
So everything was interesting. I think I participated in a lot of events. I loved playing sports. I have not played much sports in college, to be honest, but I have played before them because I didn't get chance to play in college. So I love playing cricket and badminton. I am not very much into cultural activities, but I love dancing. I don't like performing on stage, but I love dancing on Ganesh Chaturthi and Shiv Savari and all that.
Okay, sir. So, coming on to the most important question of this interview, how you got placed in
Okay.
Amazon? How did you apply for it? I mean, from which sources? What was the selection process? And how many rounds were there? Please tell us about this in detail.
So I got placed in Amazon by clearing all the rounds, and I applied through LinkedIn. I applied through LinkedIn, and I got a test link, and I gave that test. I solved both the questions. There were two coding questions based on I think graph or string. I think I don't remember. It was a lot of time ago. So there were two questions. I did both of the then I got a chance to interview. I and got informed that you'll be interviewing for Amazon, and then I had chat with of my those who are already placed in Amazon. I talked with Mohit sir, who is one of my senior who is already placed in Amazon, and I talked with Kelkar sir. You know Kelkar sir?
No, sir.
So Kelkar sir is basically I'm whatever I'm today is all because of him. He's the mentor, and whatever I know is because of him. So he runs Thinking Machines. It's in Ujjain. It's a coaching. So I was a student of him. So I talked with Kelkar sir also, and he introduced me to one of the recruiter of Amazon, and he said that talk to him about the interview and everything. So I had a chat with the Amazon recruiter, and he told me that you are a fresher and you are from tier 3 4 college. I don't like referring students like you because uh, whenever interviews goes up and down little bit, you don't have any backup to support yourself. So after that, I knew I had chat with senior and sir also that he told me that give the interviews and perform as better as you can because I knew that I need to overlook all those parts like my college and my experience. I had no experience, so I need to overlook that part. So I prepared for the interviews and really well because after that online assessment, I had four interviews. Two were technical, one was hiring manager, and one is bar raiser round. All were technical interviews. The hiring manager is also not HR round. It's a round in which you're the manager in which whose team you will work. That manager takes your round. So hiring manager round was a different from those other rounds because he talked with me in a technical way, but giving me a situation. He
Okay.
wanted technical answer, but that were based in a situation. So hiring manager was a different round, and all the other three were technical rounds.
Okay, sir. So means like it's not so tough to get into like Amazon and all.
No, it's it's not like that. It's depends. You need to be very good with your
Oh,
communication skills. You need to give your answers very nicely. No doubt in that. And you need to be very good in data structures and algorithms. Yeah, it's not that tough that you can't get into it. I'm not
yes.
telling you it's that tough, but you need to work on these things. You need to be very good with your communication skills. You need to be very good with data structures and algorithms. Not like you need to get top ranks in all the competitions, but still you need to be little good. Those are the
Okay,
things
sir.
that you should concentrate. I think if you talk about any big companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, these are the things which are very important: communication skills and data structure algorithm.
Okay, so communication skills and good in coding field. These two are
Yeah,
important. Okay, sir.
yeah.
Moving ahead in this interview, I would like to ask you that your placement was off campus or on campus placement, and what do you think about off campus placement?
It was obviously off campus, and off campus placements are little more difficult than on campus. What happens in on campus is that a company comes, and suppose there are five requirements, five candidates are required. So out of 65 will be selected. So the probability in on campus is more than in off campus, because from in on off campus all over India it's going on, and you need to be good than all over in all over India. So basically off campus is little more difficult than on campus, and that's the difference.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the reason of less number of campus placement in our college?
I don't think there are less number of campus placements in our college. It's been improving, and it's been improving a lot. There are a lot of good placement this year also. I think I went through
Yes.
all the placements this year, and almost lot of students are placed good. And the ratio I think will improve. That depends on you guys and all the juniors. So uh, I think it's been good, and it's been improving. I think the TPO team in the past 3 4 months, they are trying a lot. I think a lot of students are already placed, but still I get notified every day in the group that this company is coming and you need to get give interviews. So it's going great.
Yes, sir. Certainly, we will try our best to get into the best companies when our time comes. So,
All the best for you.
my next question
Thank you.
is, can a student of any other branch, like other than computer science, like electronics or civil engineering, get placed in such big multinational technological companies like Amazon, Google, etc.?
I think no doubt that any student can get placed, and it doesn't depend on the branch. It depends on the requirement of the company and the skills the student possess. So if the company requires certain skill and you possess that, and you show the good skills in interview and everything goes well, you will no doubt get hired. I know a lot of students from EC who are really good at coding, and I know some of my seniors who have worked with me, and they had great coding skills. I've learned a lot from them too. So I don't think branch depends. Branch matters much अगर आपको आप डिटरमाइंड हो कि करने के लिए तो.
Okay, sir. So I would like to know that how important are internships and trainings? And did you get any internship? And if yes, then from which sources?
So I got internship at Ron. I interned at Ronin Labs for 3 months from in September 2020. From September 2020 to December 2020, I got that internship for Internshala. Obviously, it helps to if you get an internship, you get to work in that environment. You get to talk to a lot of managers and client and leading developers who are very much more experienced than you. You get to learn a lot. Your communication improves, no doubt in that. But still, if you don't get internship, suppose it depends on luck also, because it's not necessary that you may possess all the skills. It by even then also you might not get internship. So it depends on your luck little bit. If you don't get internship, don't get disheartened, and I think you should work on different skills. You should keep applying for internship. If you get that, very good. Then if you don't get it, then keep working on different skills, though that are also very important.
Okay, sir. So keeping like keep trying is one thing that we should
Yeah,
do.
you need to keep try. I think I had a chat with one of my junior couple of days ago, and he told me that I want to apply on Amazon. There is a requirement in Amazon. It's showing on LinkedIn, but I don't think I'm little prepared, and I'll apply 2 3 months later. So you need to understand that you will never be prepared for such interviews. There can't be a day you will tell that tomorrow I'll give interview and I'll crack it. So this thing won't happen. You need to apply daily and you need to keep applying. You don't need to think that I'm prepared or not. You just give interviews and let the interviewer decide that you're ready for the job or not. So if you'll give interviews, then it'll be better for you. I remember a time when I used to apply 15 to 20 companies in a day on LinkedIn. So you need to keep applying.
Okay, sir. Coming on to the resume part, what details one should include in resume and what not?
So I think resume should be one page. It should not be more than one page because when you apply for such big companies, the recruiter don't have much time. A lot of people apply for it, and you should show the top skills you have. Don't lie on your resume. Never you should lie on your resume because I told you about the hiring manager round. He talked about one of the projects I had, and we had a chat about for about 50 45 minutes on that project only, and he asked me every single detail about it. So don't lie on resume. It's never good. They know about how to ask questions. They are smarter than you, no doubt in that. So don't
Okay,
lie.
sir.
Show your top skills. Show your, I think, 4 or 5 project max to max. 3 or 4 will also do. Show the 3 4 projects you know more about. Don't be like that. That अरे वो project बहुत अच्छा बनाया मैंने, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा था, वो शायद अच्छा रहेगा. अगर आप उसके बारे में अच्छे से बोल नहीं पाते हो, तो don't include that in resume. अगर आप
Okay,
उस
sir.
प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अच्छे से बोल पा रहे हो वो इंक्लूड करिए.
Okay, so means like one should be prepared for like getting any situation or any
Yeah,
question on which they will discuss.
yeah, he'll ask you any question, मतलब कि did this situation occur in that, what did you do on that situation, why did you do that, why did you not do this. He'll ask you questions like this, so you can
Okay.
answer only when you have did it in real life.
Okay, sir. So, in interview, how much role, as you mentioned earlier, so I would like to ask that in interview, how much role does communication skills play?
It plays a big role. I think the skills required in any big company, a lot of students have those skills, no doubt in that. I have seen in my 4 years a lot of students doing really great in coding, and really great. I'm maybe greater than me also, no doubt in that. So but I have seen that 80% of those students are not able to perform an interview because of the communication skills. I know a lot of my seniors also, those who are really great. I have seen them working so hard, but just because of communication skills, they are not able to get past the interview. So you may know a lot of things, but if you are not able to tell properly in the interview, then it's of no matter. That
Okay, sir. Means like it's not how much you know, it is about how much you are able to represent or to show them.
yeah, that's very correct.
Okay, sir. So coming on to the college part again, what function did college professors, your friends, and college seniors play in helping you in studies and other things related to internships and placements?
Okay, so I'll tell first about seniors. So seniors do played a great role because I think I was in first year when I was a part of a project where third and fourth year students were also included, and I learned a lot from them. मतलब मेरी लाइफ उस टाइम बहुत फर्स्ट ईयर में था मैं, तो आप लोग के जैसी चल रही थी कि कुछ पता नहीं होता था. एंड थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को मैं देखता था तो ऐसा लगता था कि दे वर इन अ लॉट ऑफ टेंशन बिकॉज उनके लिए ये चल रहा होता था, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. तो आई यूज टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. आई यूज टू नो कि ये भी करना रहेगा मुझे, ये भी अच्छा है, तो यू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. यू नीड टू be very good with your seniors and you need to learn from them because they can teach you because they have lived on that path you're going to go. सो ऑब्वियसली सीनियर्स प्ले अ ग्रेट पार्ट बिकॉज आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आता है तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो. And obviously friends played a great part. They played a huge role in anything I have did because ठीक है पढ़ाई वढ़ाई तो बट फन इज वेरी ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. आप enjoy नहीं कर रहे हो तो इट्स नथिंग. क्या मतलब इस सब करने का. And communication skills improve होती है. If you have good friends, you can talk to them in English. You can talk to them about your work, what problems you're facing. Maybe they're also facing the same problems, and you can talk to them about it. You can talk to them about different things. So friends are also important. Have fun. It's great. And college professors, it, ठीक है. इट्स ओके. आई मीन आई फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर में था तो टीपीओ के टीपीओ वो टी क्यूब आए थे. सॉरी टी क्यूब आए थे.
Yes, yes, sir.
एंड टी क्यूब फैकल्टीज वेर ग्रेट. आई थिंक दे वर वेरी फन. हर्षित सर, आई रिमेम्बर हर्षित सर, क्रांति मैम, शिवानी मैम, they were great. I had great time. They were very friendly and everything. So it was amazing.
Okay, sir. Moving ahead in this interview, what all points one should keep in mind while preparing for placements? Also, sir, what is your advice to your juniors of college?
Okay, so can you repeat the first part of the question?
What all points one should keep in mind while preparing for placements?
Okay, so I already told you, see, communication skills is the most important part. You need to improve your communication skills. Suppose you learn a drop. What I used to do was, suppose you learn a topic, make a document PDF file, and I used to write that topic in that PDF file that I've learned this heading, and used to write one page about that topic, whatever I learned, what I should say in an interview. Do that, so it will help your communication skills and what you need to say about that topic in English. क्योंकि बहुत बार होता है कि हम कोई टॉपिक हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं, हिंदी में समझते हैं, एंड वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू से इन इंग्लिश. So do that. Communication skills is the most important part. Second, I will say data structure and algorithms are really important. They really help you, and most of the big companies require them. So those are the key parts. Other than that, be good in theory. Score, I think, more than 7.5 CGPA, and that will do. If you have less than that, also little bit, it won't be of much difference. But get more than 7.5 CGPA. And other than that, what was the second part? I forgot the second part.
What is your advice to your juniors of
Okay,
college?
so advice to my juniors. So have fun, bunk classes, but be focused. Be focused also on the studies, what you want to do. Be focused on that part and have fun a lot. I think these 4 years you'll remember for your life. So you should have fun, but be focused. No doubt in that. That be focused what you want to do. Keep doing that because it doesn't matter that one day you studied 8 hours, one day you studied 7 hours, and the other whole week you didn't study only. So keep studying consistently and take part in all the activities you
Unfortunately, we are not getting this
can.
chance since the colleges are closed.
I
Like
hope you do get.
online
Yeah.
classes are going on.
Yeah, but I hope you do get chance to go to college, participate in
Yes, sir.
Ganesh Visarjan, Exception, IAM.
Yes, sir. Certainly, we will do when college gets open. So my last question too is, like, what is your overall experience of these 4 years in college?
So I don't think I can tell the whole experience in a couple of minutes. It's been amazing. I think I got to spend 2.5 years in college, and 1.5 years has just been wasted due to Corona. I won't say wasted because we got to look on ourselves a lot. But those 2.5 years I'll remember for life. I have had so much fun. In my first year, I think we had IAM, MTM, and Exception all at the same time, and it was just amazing. And in the second year and third year, also we took part in Exception very nicely, and it was just amazing. All these things, dancing on Ganesh Visarjan, going to Savari and dancing. It's been great time. It's been great time, no doubt in that.
Okay, sir. With this, we come to an end of this interview. I'm thankful to you on behalf of UEC News for giving your precious time for this interview. Also, we wish you all the best for your career. And also, it was really great interacting and interviewing you. Thank you, sir, and
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
everyone.
It was great time for me too. Thank you.